Kuleveki bekusingathwe umsitho iPendoring Advertising Awards nalapho bekuwongwa amagcisa aqaqambisa ulwimi lwenkobe. Lomsitho usekelezelwe ekugcineni ulwimi lwenkobe luphila. Apha eStudio sihleli no-Andile Ndaba no-Obakeng Rapoo. Manene ngaphambi kokuba nisichazele ngembasa eniziphumeleleyo, khani sichazele ngani nomsebenzi niwenzayo?
Okay, molweni sanibonani dumelang. Igama lami Obakeng Rapoo and ngisebenzela Promise Agency. And yeah, I'm a copywriter, conceptual copywriter emsebenzini. And yeah.
Okay. Andile.
Sibonge ithuba lokuthi sibe lapha ekhaya. Igama lami uAndile Ndaba and mina njengoba esilo mfowethu, I'm also a copywriter and I am at MNC Saatchi Able, Johannesburg.
Umsebenzi okanye icandelo le-advertising kudala kusithwa longanyelwe ngabantu abamhlophe. Ingaba nina ukhona mhlambi inguqu enizibonayo kwelicandelo?
Ukhona vele, especially ngama lentuzana ceremonies such as lentuzana Pendoring Awards that award indigenous work, umsebenzi wethu esiwenza ngesithetho sethu. So it really does show the difference and the change and highlighting ukuthi yazi guys, our African languages are being heard and they're being recognized.
Yeah, and njengoba umfethu besishilo ngaphambilini, when it comes to the Pendoring Advertising Awards, bebheka only the Afrikaans side of work, right? And the fact that sekushintshile lokho manje sebebuka umsebenzi owenziwa yithina, whether isiZulu, isiXhosa, isiSuthu, isiPitori, it speaks to the change that's happening in the industry, which is very important, because if we don't celebrate our languages with the work that we do, no one is going to do that for us. And we do not want a situation where when it comes to 20, 40 years from now, kungenwe museum and it's like we don't want our languages to be inganekwane, to put it like that. And it's important that we really celebrate the cultural pride when we do the work that we do. And we are honestly grateful to each and every person who plays a role in making sure that the industry transforms. And this is just a testament when we are sitting here in Abafana, Abamnyama, who have had a number of opportunities. If it was back in the days, you wouldn't be sitting here with us. So there's a lot of change that's happening in the industry. And we are glad that we got to be a part and parcel of benefiting from all of those who fought in the past to make sure that the young black men sitting in front of you today, can literally share the insights that we have. And someone else who's watching out there at home can be like, okay, cool. If that guy can make it, then I can make it as well.
Yes. Iqela lenu iPromise liphumelele kumpetha Awards kwi-campaign ethi Flate Project. Khani sicacisele ngale project noba niziva njani ngokuphumelela?
Yazi, we're happy, but then yazi in Flate project here too, it was tied into the cultural insight which has in Maskulmikini, so there's more than 11 official languages as Kulma, as South Africa, and for us it was tapping to that official, unofficial language and Flate, because one comment like South Africa yazi Flate, more combi text or shy Flate, or bizamatit, or shy Flate, so then for us, it was about, okay, since Kulangama Flate, and there are these language barriers, construction sites with, a lot of foreign nationals that, okay, guys, if there's one language that Sonkes understand, is Ukshai Flate, so let's use into a Flate to communicate with each other. And, if you see a warning, a danger sign, Ukshai Flate. And, that's basically, a project here to, behind the Flate project, and just try and make change in the lives of the construction workers.
Yeah, Andile.
But I mean, we're from separate agencies, so the campaign was amazing. Okay. On our side, we basically worked on Trinco Tea, which won a silver Pendoring at the Advertising Awards. And again, I was just chatting about it even now. And for the first time, he was like, to me, bro, I enjoyed that campaign so much. And it speaks to, the testament of the work that we did. It's amazing. It's quite fun because we really wanted to tap into a very young audience, but we wanted to do that in a very fun way. And so we tapped into the call and response songs that we know are very, very rich when it comes to South Africa. Like for instance, if I go Awuvumuti T, like it use when you're a Zulu speaking person, you know that it's THI. But when you just flip it to TEA, it's T. And it sounds like tea, right? And so we did that small change, which gave us this amazing, powerful campaign, and we're reaping the rewards awards for that, and we really hope that the whole of South Africa is going to be singing TTTT wherever they go, and our campaign is going to bring the results that we want, because it is very important that we have clients that trust creativity, and on top of that, when they have trusted the creativity needs to bring in the results, because at the end of the day, this is business, and it's important that the creativity that they are trusting us with brings in the results and the numbers.
Obakeng, niphumelele ezinyembasa ezintathu zegolide ze-Pendoring. Kasicacisele ngazo?
So ama-awards were to 3 zegold, and then kune silver, and it was for lentuzana, out of home, digital, ne website, you know. Yeah, so Velelama Awards, it's really just, I guess, a testament, if I can put it like that, and the fact that, you know, it shows what, you know, we actually managed to reach out to these many people, and, you know, it also talks to the fact that business into any impact umsebenzi wethu, and it's just a reward for the hard work that we put in as a team lapha emsebenzini, I promise. So yeah.
Kuni kubaluleke kangakanani uqaqambisa ulwimi lwenkobe kwicandelo le-advertising, i-vernacular languages?
Kubaluleke ngendlela eyisimangaliso ma. I think ngeke ngakusho lokho ngaphambilini. Masingayenzi thina lento akekho umuntu ozosenzela yona, and siyazi ukuthi sonke sisukaphi. So kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi nentwana encane ethi mayibhala ibhala isiZulu noma ibhala isiSuthu yazi ukuthi ingakwazi ukuthi idle ngalento iphile ngayo. Not so long ago I was in France, and ngihanjiswe yinto ebengiyenze ngokuyibhala ngesiZulu, and kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi ngikusho lokho ngoba abanye abantu bathi mabecabanga impumelelo ucabanga ukuthi impumelelo ihamba nesingisi, kanti cha, ikhono lakho ungakwazi ukuthi ulisebenzise uphinde futhi uwenze sure ukuthi uhambisa phecelezi uwenza sure ukuthi uqhuquzela abantu abasha ukuthi bazigqaje baziqhenye ngolwimi labo, whether iSuthu iSpedi. So kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi we are part and parcel of the transformation in the industry, and we are always at the forefront of celebrating our languages, making sure that in the community that is South Africa there is cultural pride. And there's a number of videos I've seen online where you see a kid that's like maybe una 10, 15 omunye akakwazi ukukhuluma ulwimi lasekhaya, but mawumbuza ukuthi uma ukhulumani noma ukhuluma isiZulu usisi ubwasuthu, but bona abakwazi. So it's important that umsebenzi abawubonayo, whether they hear it on TV, they see it online, babona ukuthi no man, shuthi I am missing out if I'm not celebrating my mother tongue. Therefore, I need to ask mom or go to the necessary resources and make sure that I am able to practice my own mother tongue, whether it's writing about it, singing. That's very important.
Andile no-Obakeng masibulele kakhulu ngexesha lenu. Andile ke lowo no-Obakeng.